Hello, I'm Minchbanala. Today I bring you another video. Today I bring you the wulfen squad. The wulfen are the further mutation of the space wolves. Space wolves gene seed always has, well, as all gene seeds are, they're not perfect. But they do have their quirks. Say, for the blood angels, they become vampires and thirst for blood, or they succumb to the red rage and think of everyone as Horus. The space wolves turn into mutant wolf men, equivalent to a werewolf, but not a werewolf. That's how I put it. But with that, I do up a squad of 5, making up. So with that, I only do them by the books, so I don't do much kit bashing. Though I will do a kit bash video, I believe next video and the video after. I'm not too sure with this. If you don't realize, I am currently building these models a few weeks in advance. As well, I'm still in studying, so I don't have all the time in the world. So I do have to make some restrictions and schedule stuff out so I can get through projects. But also, I'm trying to maximize my time, efforts, and eventually enter all this into a armies on parade at the end of the year. For that, I am very excited to do, and I also have a battle board that I am working on. Now, the size of my battle board is simple. It's the same size as one of those fold out battle sheets you get from Warhammer. Whenever you get like a starter set or something like that, or any box set, I believe. Anyway, but ooh, yeah, that's the basis of this video. So let's get into it and stop me yakking. Starting this kit bash, I go off the instructions because I'm lazy. To be honest, I really didn't. I've never built Wulfen before. I've never actually seen this kit. I didn't realize these were a part of the Space Wolves, or even if they actually existed at all. I thought it was sort of like one of those discontinued kits that they do quite a fair bit with Warhammer. Or it's one of those kits they never restock because why would they do that? You just gotta go second hand and spend a fortune. But enough of my political views of Warhammer and their questionable marketing power and how they do the things they do. My basis is that I see the Wulfen, and what little lore I do know of is that they are not. They're sort of the unfortunate few. They're not as massively known among the legions in the chapters, so it is quite interesting seeing them. And so I thought, well, if you're going to give these mutated, unstable space marines weapons, I thought it'd be best if you play it safe and not give them massive frost axes. You give them sledgehammers. So that's what I do with this one. I remove the axe head and I'll use it somewhere else, somewhere down the line. Probably chapter mask, because that's a nice axe head. And replace it with the hammer Mjolnir. I think it's a Mjolnir, or it's just a hammer head. The hammer head, the power hammer, or whatever it is from the other hand in the kit, the other option. Because seeing a werewolf running on the battlefield with a damn sledgehammer would be terrifying to anyone. Because blunt force trauma tends to do a lot of damage. So I went off that. That's where I went off, and I like the look of them. And I realized they had these interesting looking shoulder pads. I might use the leftovers for something else. I'm not sure yet. I'll figure that out. Army Painter, Tan Flesh.
Army Painter, Barbarian Flesh.
Citadel Base, Dryad Bark.
Game Color, Glorious Gold. Citadel Base, Lead Belcher. Army Painter, Banshee Brow. Game Color, Imperial Blue. Army Painter, Matte Black. Model Color, White Glaze. Citadel's Contrast, Space Wolf's Grave. Model Color, White Glaze. Citadel Contrast, Frost Heart. Citadel Base, Black Knark, Burgundy. Citadel Contrast, striking Scorpion in green. Citadel Shade, Agrath Earth Shade.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell so you never miss another video. Yes, got it right this time. And if you want to see more Snow Wolves content, I will leave a thing out like the playlist doodad in the end on this side. I believe it is. It mirrors. I don't know. I think it's this side that you'll get the playlist. This side you get a recommended video. That I hope you guys enjoy. And again, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.